want to bring in market watcher Dennis Gartman. Dennis, this is my opinion. It's going to be a long, drawn-out trade war, and I think that's a negative for the stock markets. What do you say?
It's clearly a negative for the stock market. It has been a negative for the stock market for the past several weeks. It has become a more serious negative for the stock market, and it shall continue to be so. We have two gentlemen, President Xi and President Trump, both of whom are strong individuals, both of whom are now losing face, both of whom are trying to get the other one to lose even more face. I'm afraid that this could be protracted and go on for a period of time. I wish otherwise. The gentleman from the Hudson Institute, I hope, is properly optimistic, but I fear that he's improperly so. I think that this is serious and could continue for weeks, if not months. We don't have a scheduled meeting until September.
Okay. Now turn to interest rates. You've seen this, Dennis.
Yes.
The yield on the 10-year Treasury is now, what, 1.78%, I think it is. Yeah, 178.
Yeah.
Is this a dangerous race to the bottom?
Well, first of all, let's understand at 1.78, we are still several hundred basis points above that which you get to not earn when you put money to work in Germany, for example. I think that it's negative interest rates of 40 basis points on the 10-year there, so you're still getting 210 basis points more for investment in the United States. Yes, it is a race to the bottom, and this is going to continue for a while. As long as there are $13 to $14 trillion worth of negative interest rates out there from the industrialized countries, we are still the dominant country. We're still the highest interest rate to be earned, and we're still the safest place to put your money, so money comes here. Today, it's a different story. Today, the Japanese yen is getting extremely strong, as I like to say, as Mr. and Mrs. Watanabe get fearful and take their money back to Japan. But this is a race to the bottom as far as interest rates are concerned, and there's more to be done.
Okay, we shall hear about that later. Thanks so much, Dennis. We'll talk to you soon.